Today, we're happy to introduce UGC. UGC has been around for a minute on Avocado. However, it was kind of like a little bit hidden in the UI. And the reason why I say that is because it has been part of the app for a minute now, but we've received some feedback and we listened to your feedback. Your feedback is very important. And we decided to add it here onto a standalone part rather than living under the general workspace. So UGC, a lot of you create a lot of UGC videos and we wanted to make the experience simpler. So we went ahead and done that. So now all you need to do is just like select the template. You have like hundreds of options you can choose from the public avatars, but also you can actually just like upload a photo of your own avatar if you already have one, or of yourself. You can do that as well, or you can design with AI. So you just describe it and choose which style you want it to be, the resolution, the aspect ratio, and stuff like that. We're not going to do that, and in this case I just want to use Brett. So this is the template. And also one interesting part is that you can also add products. So you can just select your product and you can have it like talking about the product, like doing unboxing or doing whatever you want. You can just like in simple steps. Well, for this video's sake, we just want to keep it short. I want to do like an announcement of this very same feature. So I want to say, today we are happy to introduce UGC. Now it's much simpler to create UGC videos at scale. You no longer have to pay for expensive creators, wait week to get a video done for you. Now all you need is your script, an avatar, and just get your videos. So this is kind of like the script. I think I can make this like in a 10-second video. I think this might be it. And you can also add like some motion. You can say whether it's like a bit expressive, you can say calm and compose, or you can define like which type of like motion you want it to have, introspective or stuff like that. But in my case, I don't want to use any of those motion. I'm just gonna let the model do a thing. And I think this might be like enough for like a 10-second videos or 8 seconds. Let's put 8 here. We're gonna keep the aspect ratio. You can use as well like 720p or 1080p. I think for this one, we might use like 1080p because I want it to be high res. And actually need to add the CTA here. Try now at avocado /UGC. Let's go back to, actually let's make 10 seconds. This is just like very straightforward way of doing it. And you press generate. So it's gonna do now, it's gonna start cooking. And once the generation actually initiate, you can do a bunch of them one after the other so that you can just need to, you see as it's now in the queue, you can go ahead and like add more scripts and it will maintain the voice consistency. So you don't have to worry about that. And overall, yeah, this is pretty much how it works. And I'm going to just fast forward the video a little bit so that you can see how it's done, how it looks when it put together. And there you go. Actually, it took like literally 1 minute to generate this. So it can vary 1 minute to 3 minutes to generate. So let's see how this goes. Actually, a good rule of thumb is just making sure that you select like a duration that can fit best. Like generally you want to go for 12 or 15 seconds. So that you can give it enough time so it doesn't be like so fast paced, and you're just going to generate. So this way you can like have like multiple iterations. And one cool thing is you can do as well is actually apply captions. So you just select one of these captions here. You have a very big amount of options you can choose here. And these are like more like trendy type of captions you can use. This one is kind of what we have been using lately. So I'm going to add captions, but I'm actually going to wait for the other video to be generated. All right, so the video is now generated, and this is a longer pace. So let's see how it's going to look like.
Today, we are happy to introduce UGC. Now it's much simpler to create UGC videos at scale. You no longer to pay for expensive creators, wait weeks to get a video done for you. Now all you need is your script, an avatar, you just get your videos. Try now at avocadoai.co.
So that's pretty solid. I'm going to use this for like the announcement of this specific feature. And I'm just going to select like, let's say, for example, we've been constantly using this one, but I actually want to give it a shot with this one here. So let's see, generate the captions for me. So it's going to take a few seconds. Let's see how it's going to go. There you go. After a few seconds, you already have the captioned version.
Today, we are happy to introduce UGC. Now it's much simpler to create UGC videos at scale. You no longer to pay for expensive creators, wait weeks to get a video done for you. Now all you need is your script, an avatar, you just get your videos. Try now at avocadoai.co.
All right, so that's it, pretty much it. And now I can just do the videos downloaded, and I'm gonna go to my video editor and just put like a screen recorded over this and just pretty much publish the video to announce this specific feature. And this is crazy because generally if I do not have the time to make an announcement video, this is my approach that I've been using. And you've probably seen some videos posted that this character that even had people asking for the number of this creator, which does not exist, by the way, is AI generated. You had people asking for this creator's number.
Today we are happy.
So you can see the fidelity looks really, really good and really realistic. So that's pretty much all you need now. So go try it now on avocadoai.co/UGC and give it a shot. See you in the next one.